In today's video, let's learn how to cancel AutoLoad in Presto. In Google, type Presto login. Click on the link Sign in with an account. Click on I'm a Presto user button. Now click on Sign in. Scroll down. Enter your Presto email address and password. You can also add Presto in your Apple Wallet. To know how to add Presto in Apple Wallet, click on the above pop-up link. Click on your name next to Presto. It will take you to transaction history. Under balance, you can see AutoLoad on. Now click on AutoLoad. Click on Cancel AutoLoad. Click on Confirm. AutoLoad has been successfully cancelled. I hope this video is helpful. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe.